Hello friends, I am Getan Verma. Our today's topic in English grammar is past continuous tense. So today we are going to focus something on past continuous tense. First of all, સૌથી પહેલા let us see the usage of past continuous tense. સૌથી પહેલા આપણે એનો ઉપયોગ જોઈએ કે past continuous tense નો use કરવો ક્યારે. Past continuous tense is used for those actions which were going on in the past for some time and then the action was over. Past continuous tense આપણે એવી ક્રિયાઓ માટે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ કે જે ક્રિયા થોડા સમય માટે ચાલી રહી હતી કોઈ ચોક્કસ સમયે અને એ થોડી વાર પછી એ પૂર્ણ થઈ ગઈ. So friends, the structure of past continuous tense is here. Subject in affirmative. Let us see from affirmative sentence, hakaratmak vakya. The structure of affirmative sentence is subject, then was verb, then verb plus ing, then object and other words. Friends, in the exam we have read this much. Exam આપણે આટલું જ લખવાનું હોય, was verb અને verb plus ing. Let us understand where to use was and where to use verb. So was નો ઉપયોગ as usual I have taught you in my previous videos. જેમ મેં તમને મારા પહેલાના વિડીયોઝમાં જે to be form શીખવાડ્યું હતું એમાં જણાવ્યું હતું. I have taught you કે was નો ઉપયોગ તમે I, he, she, it અને કોઈ એક નામ સાથે કરી શકો. Was can be used with I, he, she, it and third person singular. And with other all subjects we have to use verb. અને બીજા અન્ય સબ્જેક્ટ સાથે આપણે verb નો યુઝ કરવાનો. Okay. Though I would write it for you. Was can be used with I, he, she, it and one name. It can be used with one name, okay? And word can be used with all other subjects. For example, we, you, they and plural things. અને word નો ઉપયોગ આપણે બીજા બધા અન્ય સબ્જેક્ટ સાથે કરીશું. દાખલા તરીકે word can be used with we, you, they અને अन्य names, other names or plural things. Okay, so let us see the usage. Joy was cleaning his room. Joy any room clean કરી રહ્યો હતો. Joy is third person singular, that is why we have to use was. એટલે આપણે was નો use કરવાનો અને પાછળ verb plus ing. into bracket કદાચ એક્ઝામ આપણને પૂછાય તો into bracket આપણને to be plus clean આપી હોય અને ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન આપી હોય કે you have to fill in the blanks with the usage of past continuous tense or you have to fill in the blanks in past continuous tense. તો આ રીતે આપણે એનો આન્સર લખી શકીએ. We can write the answer like this. One more example is given, friends. Children were having fun. બાળકો મજા કરી રહ્યા હતા. So here also it can be given like this. To be plus have. So we can write children were having fun. Were is a form of to be, past form of to be. Okay, and have changes into ing, having. So children were having fun. One more example is given, friends. My friends and I were helping the poor. Now here what to remember, friends? Usually what do we see? મોટા ભાગે આપણે શું જોઈએ છે? We see the subject before the verb. Sorry, blank. We see the subject before the blank. Blank પહેલાનો subject જોઈ અને આપણે blank લખી દઈએ છીએ. We write the answer. For example, here I is given. So what do most of the students do? They will write was. It is the wrong side answer. Because here it is given my friends and I. That is plural. It is not a singular. Now So my friends and I is a plural noun. It's not a singular noun. That is why we have to write were and verb plus ing. So friends, these are affirmative sentences. This is the structure of affirmative sentence. Now let's go towards a negative sentence. In past continuous tense, friends, mostly you have to remember which form of to be matches with the subject, and that is what given here. See, was can be used with I, he, she, it, and one name is given, and were can be used with then we, you, they, and names. So you have to remember these, friends. Now let's go towards negative sentence. That means we are going to learn nakaratmak vakya, nakaratmak sentences. As we have learned earlier in the forms of to be, to make the sentence negative, you just have to write not after the to be form. So subject plus was or were plus not plus verb plus ing plus object plus other words. This is the only additional thing. आज एक વધારાની વસ્તુ છે આપણે નેગેટિવમાં મૂકવાનું હોય એ was અને verb ની પાછળ મૂકી દેવાનું not. So the sentence becomes negative. Let's see the example, friends. Some students blank the answer in the class. Suppose, friends, into bracket we are given to be plus discuss. To be plus discuss is given to us, and we have to write, friends, here answer. So some friends is plural, so we will write were discussing. This is the correct answer. But if you want to make it negative, friends, then the simple thing is here you write were not discussing the answer. Some students were not discussing the answer. So the only additional thing is not when it is given in the structure. And suppose if we have write not, the structure would slightly change. Here it would be given like this: to be plus not plus discuss. So it is very easy to change affirmative sentence into negative also. There is only one change, that we have to add a not. And suppose if negative structure is there, we would be given not. जो negative structure है तो अपने bracket में already not आप्યું हसे. If not is given, that means it is a negative sentence. Let's see directly one negative sentence, friends. My cousin blank the movie as we were. Into bracket we are given to be plus not plus angel. So my cousin is third person singular. So we have to write was, because to be form is given. We are supposed to write negative, so let us write not. And enjoy is given, so we have to write ing form of enjoy. So that is enjoying. My cousin was not enjoying the movie as we were. That means as we were enjoying, my cousin was not enjoying the movie. Let's see interrogative sentences, friends, now. In negative sentences, just remember that we have to add a not after the forms of to be. In interrogative sentences means prashnarth vakya. Sentence begins with to be. After to be, we have to write subject followed by verb plus ing, verbing. And at last there should be a question. Let's see the example, friend. Sentence is given to us, blank you blank for the right key. And into brackets, suppose we are given to be plus search. An instruction is given that you have to fill in the blanks in past continuous tense. In that case, we have to write here were you searching for the right key. This is the correct answer, friends. Let's see one more example. Here, friends, we are given two brackets. Blank your brother, blank only cartoon channels. Into bracket we are given to be plus watch. And if the instruction is again given that you have to fill in the blanks in past continuous tense, in that case your brother is third person singular, okay? That means we have to write was. Was your brother watching only cartoon channels? So this is interrogative structure, friends. These are interrogative sentences. In interrogative, we have to remember that was were comes first, and if WH word is asked, WH word will come before was and were. So friends, remember past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, let us see the whole past continuous tense structures in brief. In affirmative sentences, we have to remember two things: to be form and verb plus ing. In place of to be form, we have to write was were plus verb plus ing. In negative sentences, we have to write not after was and were plus not plus verb plus ing. And in interrogative sentences, the sentence begins with was and were plus subject plus verb plus ing. Let's see an example of affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences. If the sentence is some shopkeepers were selling the banned things, the negative sentence of this will be some shopkeepers were not selling the banned things. Interrogative sentence of the same sentence will be were the shopkeepers selling the banned things. So friends, remember in past continuous tense the structure is very easy. Just you have to follow the rules and you have to remember some structures. Thank you.